At Horn Heating and Air Conditioning, we want to be your partner in all your HVAC needs. One of the ways in which we accomplish this is by offering our exclusive Premier Efficiency Program, or PEP. These plans start at less than $20 a month, depending on your needs. All less than 5 cups of coffee each month. For the comfort and peace of mind each month, you'll never have to worry about a broken HVAC system on the hottest day of the year or the coldest winter day. You'll enjoy several great benefits, including preferential service and priority scheduling, detailed safety report, thorough system cleaning, system status reports, discounts on repairs, repair refunds towards new equipment, convenient appointments, and much, much more. In case of an emergency, all PEP customers are eligible to book same-day appointments. And of course, you get all the great benefits Horn Heating and Air Conditioning offers to all our customers. 24-hour emergency service, no overtime charges, and of course, low-pressure approach. At Horn Heating and Air Conditioning, it's all about high-quality people, not high-pressure sales. It seems like a no-brainer to us, but check us out for yourself by calling or clicking today. Your HVAC system is too important to your family's well-being.